Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Chrome is current. This avoids compatibility issues. Once done, make sure extensions are enabled in Chrome //extensions so installs succeed. Next, open the Chrome Web Store and search for Mozbar, typing the exact namespeed's results. Click the Mozbar listing to open its details page. You're now set to begin the install, so focus on the Add to Chrome button and the required permission prompts that follow. Click Add to Chrome and confirm the permissions. This grants the extension necessary access to analyze pages. Once installed, pin Mozbar from the Extensions menu so it's visible in your toolbar for quick access. Now open Mozbar and sign in with your Moz account. Logging in enables metrics and advanced features. While signing in, make sure site access settings allow all sites if you'll analyze multiple domains, and adjust display options to show metrics you care about. Open any web page and activate Mozbar from the toolbar to verify metrics load correctly. You'll see DA, PA, and on-page elements. Use the page analysis and keyword difficulty panels to run the specific reports you need, and toggle options to customize visible metrics. If Mozbar doesn't appear or fails to install, clear Chrome's cache and restart. If that fails, enable developer mode in Chrome //extensions and reinstall. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.